It's a 2011 Haro 200.1 with, I'll start at the wrist. Well, it doesn't have a chain right now because I snapped it last time. Anyways, at the front I have my kink. I forget what kind of stem it is. Stem. Now I have my ODI long necks, Haro 200.1 bars, Kenda contact tires, good tires, Odyssey Evolver hub, laced with a kink rim again, and Haro 200.1 forks. And then my seat is a Snafu Solo post seat combo, and I have Odyssey Twisteds for my pedals.
Amazing pedals, just saying.
Really good pedals. These are my cranks. They're kink. I can't remember what kind they are though. It's this is a Haro 200.1 stock sprocket, and then an Odyssey Evolver and stuff in the back, and it's the same